What's up guys, it's Jackson here today. I thought I'd put a little video together for you guys. Just picked up a new GME UHF, so I thought I'd do an unboxing and install for you guys. Hope you enjoy. If you do, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more of this sort of stuff in the future. Cheers. Alright guys, so I picked this one up from Frankie's Auto Electrics. I believe they had really good prices. And turns out they had really good customer service. I just found them on Google, compared them to other websites that I found what I got, and they had the best prices, so I went with them. So I'll leave the link to their website in the description if you'd like to check it out. Yeah. Alright, so I think the last knife was a bit too big, so we'll stay away from that at the moment. So here's what we got. So we got two starter kits, one for my parents and one for me. Comes with everything you need. It's got a small little unit there, so I can hide it away and make it look clean. And then we got, that also comes with an antenna, but I ended up opting for a bigger version, just for various different reasons that I won't get into, but I went for a 1.2 meter long 6.6 dB GME width, so that'll be good for the long beach trips and country roads and whatnot. Alright, so I'll quickly run you through what comes in the little starter kit that GME offers. So first things first, the unit itself, very small and compact, which is awesome. That's what I love about these. So in comparison to my hand, it's pretty small, as you can see. So we have that. Then we have a microphone doohickey, very simple, does its job, all we need. Then the wiring for this, which looks like a fuse, so it looks pretty easy. Just whack that in. Bracket for the side of your bonnet. Probably won't put this one here, but if you want. And then that's 6.6 dB gain. Swap that to a lower gain and use a bigger one for open country. Bracket and then some more stuff for the antenna, sticker. Have no need to fight tonight. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Yes, I ran out of time to video. Turned out to be a bit of a rush, so got it all done, all installed. I'll do a little walkthrough of it now. But very clean unit and very happy with it so far. Alright, so the TX3100 comes with a little wiring harness that I showed you earlier. Basically, I grounded the unit behind the head unit, where the head unit itself is grounded, and then I source power over here. Down in there. Just that one over there. So I did that using a piggyback fuse, and then ran it under the dash, and then back through the little unit itself. So yeah, very clean install, which is what I love about it. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It's a little bit awkward talking to the camera, but hopefully I get used to it so I can make some more videos for you guys in the future. Awesome. Cheers.